Hello students, yes, today we are starting self practice 6F. Okay, so what we have to do basically in this exercise, first of all you should know that. Okay, so in this exercise we will do the factorization of trinomial in this form. First of all, trinomial means there will be three terms. We already have done three terms with identity. Now we are doing it with ax square plus bx plus c, that is in this one, x square plus bx plus c. In this one you cannot put the identity, you cannot use the identity. So in such kind of questions, how we will solve? Like you can see question number first. Okay, question number first is y square plus 4y, y square plus 4y plus 3. So first number is a perfect square, but last number is not a perfect square. So how to do? So whenever there are three terms, okay, and you are not able to use any identity, so in that case we will do the factorization by this method. The standard form will be x square, so x will have no coefficient, that is 1, plus bx plus c. So in this form it should be. So what is the rule? The rule is you will compare it with the standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form is, this one is your standard form, x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so in place of x you are having y, so variable is y, so I will compare with this, y square plus by plus c. So tell me what is the value of b and what is the value of c. So very easy, by comparison we can tell that c is 4 and c is 3 and b is 4. So now what have to do? What I will do is I will just find the factors of this c. Okay, so what is c? C is your 3. So find the factors of or product of 3. So how 3 you can write? 3 can be written in one way only, and that is 3 1 ja 3. Okay, no issue. Now from here you have got two numbers, that is one is 3 and one is 1. Now just add 3 and 4 or subtract. Listen carefully. Here we can add both the numbers. Two numbers we have got 3 and 1. Either add both of number or either subtract both of the numbers. Okay. Anyhow you have to bring the answer 4. So in which condition the answer is coming 4? In 3 plus 1. So what you have to do is 4. 4 means what? B. So we have divided this C in such a way that I will get answer 4. Okay. So here how you will do? We will move from here. We are having y square plus 4y plus 3. So you said that you have split this 4 in two parts. What is that? 3 and 1. So can I write this 4 as 4y as 3y plus 1y? Okay. This split is important. Okay. Plus 3. This is called the middle term split. The middle of the term we have split it in two parts. How you have to split? This is the method. Okay. We will see in the more questions. You will understand it very easily. It is easy. Okay. So first and second number. Now in the first and second number, can I say what is common? Yes, y is coming common. So what is left now? Y is left in this one, and in this one what is left? 3 is left. Now in 1y, or you can say, okay, 1y or y both are the same thing. In 1y and 3, nothing is coming common. So when nothing is coming common, what is coming common? Yes, the number 1. So 1 I can take common. So y plus, from 3 we have taken 1 common and multiply. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 will be left. Now you can see the middle term, this one and this one, within the bracket is coming same. So what you will write? Y plus 3, and here it is y plus 1 is left. So this is your answer. Okay. Similarly, we can do the third question of it. That is, again you can see that the first term is a perfect square, but the last term is not a perfect square. So that means we cannot use identity. Here also we will do by middle term split, factorization by this method only. Okay. So first of all I will compare it with the standard form. What is my standard form? X square plus bx plus c. So what is the value of b? B I am getting 12 and c I am getting 32. So here you just circle the 32 number. Now factorize it. So 32 can be written as how? 32 into 1 first way we can write 32 1 ja 32. Okay, 16 2 ja is also what 32. Okay, 8 4 ja is 32. There can be any other method? No, actually if you will see there cannot be any more way we can write 32. So now we have to select. I should select this one or this one. Like here we have selected which one? This one we have selected because 3 plus 1 was coming 4. Now here also we will do the same thing. Okay, 32 plus 1 or 32 minus 1. Both is giving you 33 and 31. But we need what? 12. Okay, we cannot take that. 16 plus 2, 16 minus 2. What it is giving? 18 and this is giving you 14. Again 8 plus 4, 8 minus 4. So 8 plus 4 is giving you what? 12. So what will be the answer? This 8 plus 4 will be the answer because 8 plus 4 is giving us 12. So the same way we will do over here. Okay, we have found what is B and what is C. Just break it out. X square plus 12 can be written as 8 plus 4. We have done that second last. So 8x plus 4x. Okay, now after that plus 32. First two, last two. Okay, what is coming common in first two? X is coming common. So x plus 8 plus now 4x is 32. 4 is coming common. So what is left inside? X plus 8. So what is coming common now? X plus 8 is coming common. Okay, so x plus 8 and here it is left x plus 4. So this is your answer. Okay, similar way we can do question number 5. Okay, the concept is same as we have done. The same comparison we have to do with the standard form. Okay, just compare it with the standard form, that is 5 is x square minus 15x plus 44. Okay, so compare it with the standard form. What is the standard form? X square plus bx plus c. Okay, so you can see that c here, b, what is b and what is c. So c clearly you can see that plus c 44, so 44. But b here you can see that here is plus and here minus. So b will become what? B will become minus 15. Now the same thing we will do. We will split this 44. We are splitting the c. So divide 44 in such a way that either addition or subtraction number we should get is what? 15. Okay, so 44 I will divide. 44 1 ja 44. Now 44 plus 1 45. We don't take. 44 minus 1 we don't take. Okay, now 22 2 ja 22 2 ja is 44. Now 22 plus 2 24 we don't require. 22 minus 2 20 we don't require. Okay, now next is we can do 11 into 4. 11 4 ja 44. Now see here, 11 plus 4 is 15. But we need here what? Minus 15. So can I do like this? Minus 11 and minus 4. Minus 11 and minus 4, the answer will be what? Plus 44. And if I do like this, minus 11 minus 4, if I do, then what I will get? Minus 15. The same answer what I require actually. So the same way you will go over here. What is it? X square minus 15x plus 44. So it will be x square. Now 15x will split into minus 11 minus 4. Minus 11x minus 4x. Okay, plus 44. This is the rough. Okay, now we will do the first, second together, then third and fourth together. Okay, now the first and second. What is coming common? X is coming common. So what is left? X minus 11. Now here you can see that again the same thing. 4 is coming, but we should take plus or minus. If you are taking plus, then the answer will come in minus. But we require the answer in plus. Why? Because x is here in plus. So minus 4 we will take outside. Okay. So what is left over here? X. From plus you have taken minus. So minus will be left. 4. 11 will come. So yes, the middle one we are getting same. So x minus 11 taken outside. What is left inside? X minus 4. Got it? So this is your question number 5. Now see question number 7. What is there in question number 7? X square plus x minus 30. So compare it with the standard form. What is it? X square plus bx plus c. Okay. So the value of b is over here you can find I'm just cleaning this. Okay, so from here you just tell me what is B and what is C. Yes, B is, no number is written, so it will be 1. And C is minus 30. So you have to split minus 30 in such a way that you will get in answer 1. So minus 30 is there. Okay, 15 2 ja. What you are getting? 30. 15 plus 2, 17. 15 minus 2, 13. Cannot be possible. Okay, 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. Okay. 5 plus 6. What you are getting? 11. And 5 minus 6. Yes, you are getting minus 1 or 1 you can say. So can I do like this? If I am doing minus 5 and into 6. So I will get minus 30. And if I solve this minus 5 plus 6. So what I will get number? Number I will get is 1 and that is my B. So I have selected this one. Okay. This portion I have selected. You can see 5 6 is 30 and 6 minus 5 is what? 1. So the same you will do over here. Okay. So what is it? It will be x square minus 5x plus 6x minus 30. Okay. This B we have divided in the middle one, for the middle one. X we have taken x minus 5. Okay. Plus 6 we have taken, what is left? X minus 5. Okay. So x minus 5 is coming common. What is left now? X plus 6. Okay. So this is your answer. Same way we can do question number 9 also. What is there in question number 9? You will see. Okay. Same process we have to use. Okay. Yes. Now yes, see question number 9 now. What is it? B square minus B minus 56. Now we will do a little bit fast. Okay. Compare it with the standard form. This is your standard form. X square plus bx plus c. So what will you? B you have got? B you have got is minus 1 and c you have got is minus 56. Okay. So split 56 minus 56 so that you get minus 1. So first process is 56 multiplied by 1. That is 56 we will get. Okay. 28 multiplied by 2. That is also 56. Okay. Then 14 multiplied by 4 is also 56. Okay. Then 7 multiplied by 8 is also 56. Now which one I should select? 56 plus 1, 57. 56 minus 1, 55. No need. 28 plus 2, 30. 28 minus 2, 26. No. 14 plus 4, 18. 14 minus 4, 10. 7 plus 8, 15. 7 minus 8. Yes, here we have got the answer. This one I have to select. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. And this B is also coming minus 1. So this one I will select how? B square minus 7B plus 7 is of plus, so plus 7B minus 8B minus 56. Okay, so do the first, second, third and fourth. Okay, B is common, B plus 7. Okay, minus 8 is common, B plus 7. So what is coming same? B plus 7 and then B minus 8. Okay, the same way we will do question number 11. Okay, that is U square minus 7U minus 30. So first process is select B and C. Okay, select B and C. So what is my B and what is my C? B is my 7 minus and C is my minus 30. So again I will divide this 30 in such a way that I can get 7. So 30 is 31 ja. Okay, first process. Second is 15 2 ja. Third is 5 6 ja. Okay, we cannot do anything else in it. 30 plus 1 31. 30 minus 1 29. 15 plus 2 17. 15 minus 2 13. 5 plus 5 plus 6. We will see the question. Maybe it is 17, I think. The question should be 17. 7u. Okay. 15 2 ja 6, 5 ja 30. Now we can do 10 3 ja also. Can you see that we can do 10 3 ja also? 10 3 ja is 30. Okay. So 5 6 are 30. 5 plus 6 11. 5 minus 6 minus 1. 10 plus 3 13 and 10 minus 3. Yes, we are getting 7. So can I do like this? That 3 minus 10, I'll get minus 7, and that is my D only. That is your middle term split. Now the same you will note down over here. What is my middle term? Minus 7. So split it into 3 minus 10. That is plus 3 u minus 10 u minus 30. First two, last two. U is coming common. Now here 10 is coming common with minus sign. So minus 10 u plus 3. So what is the answer now? U plus 3 and u minus 10. That is your answer. Okay. Similarly, see the 13th question. Okay. Question number 13 is k square plus 12k minus 160. Okay. So split 160. See what is b? Here b is 12. And what is c? C is your minus 160. So split minus 160 in such a way that I can get 12. Okay, so 160 1 ja, okay, 80 2 ja, 40 4 ja, okay, 20 8 ja. Okay, so you can see that 28 ja when I am writing here only I have got the answer. Why? Because 20 plus 8 is 28 and 20 minus 8 is 12. So 20 minus 8 we are getting 12. That I am getting the value of b. Okay, so I will write over here k square plus 20k minus 8k minus 160. First two, last two. Okay, take k outside. What is left? K plus 20. Take 8 outside from both of them. So what is left? K plus 20. Okay, so now it is coming k plus 20 bracket k minus 8. Okay, question number 15 is c square minus 19c plus 78. So what we have to divide? First of all, what is b? B is minus 19 and c is 78. Okay, so we have to split 78. 78 1 ja. Okay, 78 2 we will do. Then 3 9. 39 is coming. Okay, then if we are doing with 6, so it will be 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. 13 6 ja 78. And you can see that 13 plus 6. If I am doing 13 plus 6, I get 19. So if I am doing minus 13 minus 6, so I get minus 19 because it is the requirement of the question that we need minus 19. So I will split out in this way only. Minus 16 minus 13 minus 6c plus 78. Okay, first two terms, what are those? C minus 13 minus 6, c minus 13. Yes, it is coming same middle term. So c minus 13 outside, c minus 6 inside. This is my answer. Okay. Question number 17. See, a square plus 9a minus 36. Okay. The same thing. How I will split this 36 so that I get the answer. Okay. So split. First of all, compare it. What is the value of b? B is coming 9 and c is coming minus 36. Okay, so split 36. 36 1 ja, 18 2 ja, 9 4 ja. 9 4 ja 36. Then 3 12 ja, 12 3 ja 36. I need 9 only. So you choose yourself. Yes, it is what? 12 and 3. If you do 12 minus 3, what you will get? 9. So the same I will do over here. Plus 12a minus 3a minus 36. First two, last two. Okay. So first two is a is common. A plus 12 minus 3, a plus 12. So what is coming common? A plus 12 is coming common. What is left? A minus 3 is left. Okay. This is your answer. Similarly, we will see question number 19 and 21. Okay. Only two questions are left that we will see. Okay. See what is there in the question. Compare it with the B and C. Okay. T square minus 17t minus 84. Okay. Again, what is my B? What is my C? So my B is minus 17. Now I think you are getting it how B and C can be found in the question. Okay. and C is minus 84. So split 84. 84 1 ja, okay, then 2 ja 42, then 4 ja it will be 21, okay, then 3 ja if you are doing, then 3 2 ja 6, or 3 8 ja 24. Okay, you can see that here only I don't have to do further, here only I have got the answer. How? 21 and 4. If you will subtract, okay, if you will subtract 21 and 4, what you will get? 17 you will get, okay, but you need of minus, so it will be minus and it will become of plus. So it is, you are getting minus 17. So t square minus 21t plus 4t minus 84. So what it is? You can take t outside, t minus 21 plus 4, t minus 21. So I think you have got the answer. The same way, but you can try rest of the questions because the video will become long now. This 21 question you can try yourself. Okay, till then, thank you.